Hello, boys and girls. I want to show you some cool tricks in Google Slides, just in case you've already come to class with your presentation done today. And so the first thing I want to tell you about is called a master slide. And so if I go into View and go to Master, any changes I make here will actually change it throughout the entire presentation. And so you'll notice up here it says Master. So I'm going to click the Master slide, and I'm going to play around here. So I'm going to go to Background. Okay, this will allow me to totally customize. So let's pick a light blue. Okay, and then done. And now all the slides, you'll notice on the side here, 1 and 2, they've changed. Now, I also want to change up my title here. And so I'm going to go pick a different font and make it bigger. Okay, and then I can do the same thing here. You're probably not going to have this many bullets. So sometimes it's a little tricky to pick these. I just keep going until it allows me, there we go, to get a few at a time. And I'm gonna go for that. Okay, and then I'm gonna make it a little bigger. And maybe I'll make this a different color. So, okay, so now I'm gonna say, it's saving as I go, so all I have to do is close out of this now. Okay, so now look at it. It changed our font color and our font style, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so the master slide is wonderful because it really saves a lot of time. You don't have to go in and fix each slide. The other thing that's kind of cool that I recently learned about is called, let's go here, word art. Okay, word art's kind of fun. So let's see here. I'll just say title. Now, the only thing with word art is you basically have to get your first slide set up and then just keep copying it. So now this doesn't look that exciting, right? But if I go to format options over here, then I can start having some fun. I really like the drop shadow. And so here I can change the actual type or the color of I can't remember actually if this is the shadow. No, yeah, this is the shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna do maybe a dark blue shadow. And then I can start playing around with this. So that makes the shadow more or less transparent. I can change the angle of it, see how it starts to get deeper. And then the distance, this is, now that's kind of hard. It's cool, but it's kind of hard to read. And the goal of a presentation is always going to be to actually present the information in the clearest way possible. Okay, and then let's say I want to change, I gotta remind myself, if I want to change the color here of the actual text, I can't remember if I just go in here. So I don't see what I want here. So I'm gonna click here and see if I have more options. Oh, there it is. Nope. Where's my color for text? Maybe I have to change it here. Ah, that's it. Because it's not actually text, it's kind of like a picture, so you have to change it in this, but I don't really love that. I'm gonna go a little, there we go. Okay, now I'm digging that, but I think I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna see what white looks like as my, okay, well, I'm liking that more. Let's see what a gray looks like. Nope, I think I like the white. Okay, so now the only thing about this is, and then again, if I want to go in there and I want to change my my font, I can do that, font style. And then here, what's different about this is because it kind of like is basically kind of like a picture. I'm gonna resize it like this anytime I want to. I can stretch it way out. Doesn't look so good, but play around like that. Now, the other thing that's kind of fun is I could add a line into my PowerPoint here, and I can go here and I can change my colors, my style. My brain's not working yet this morning. And I can also change the weight of it, and I can change the color. So, I'm gonna try like maybe a dark blue. So, ooh, that's kind of fun. So now the reason I didn't do that on my master slide is you can't use word art on master slides. And then if I put this line in my master slide, then it would appear in my very first one. So if you're not using an intro slide, then that's just fine. Once you get what you like set up, what you can do is just copy and paste and paste and paste. And then when you get ready to come in here and you want to make a change, you just type it here, change, boom, there you go. So feel free to play around and have some fun with designing, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening.